Forward.
Forward.
Or maybe in the room.
Maybe they say that she's forward.
Wow. Kind of hurt my feelings, fellas. Jeez.
Whoa.
Oh.
Don't. See, that's not random. See, that's what I mean. See, they're in here. Okay?
Where'd you go?
They'll come back out now since you found them.
Well, nice to meet you.
Gentlemen,
Hey,
it's good to see
buddy.
you again.
Listen, we are listening.
Listen.
Okay. What do you have to say tonight? Okay?
That's your hiding place.
We haven't seen you for probably a
Yeah, I'm
month,
flashing
guys.
Flush him out.
Well, they don't usually need to be flushed out. They chase the women.
Come on, April, it's not quail you're chasing.
Oh boy, that was female.
Yes. Wow. 2 syllables.
Like, dear, we know there's usually not women down here. It's usually the boys, okay? Well, I don't know where that was from. That's got to be out here.
Did you hear that?
Dear, I'd rather have you stay with me to go into that boiler room if you don't mind. Would you mind walking with me?
You don't think it was Annie, do you?
I don't know. But if it is, she's bolder now. She's come all the way out here. Wow. I heard that without anything.
Node, N-O-D-E. I just feel elastical there too.
Oh, it just feels like I'm not alone.
You're not way down here too.
Anna, honey, are you out here? Did you come all the way out here? We were going to go try to find you where you normally stay, but if you're out here, honey, tell me, okay? Let me see on the meter so I know who I'm talking to. Oh, goodness gracious.
Wow. That was majorly strong. Come back, don't go away.
Honey, you know we came to see you again and check on you. We're worried about you, okay? If you're still here, you didn't get what you've got. You didn't get what you needed to go.
Wow, feel this. Are you feeling air?
Honey, do you want to go back to where you are? You want to go back to where you are in the back, right?
What just turned you off? Does that happen a lot?
Yes, it does. Well, there was a pregnant lady down here one time, and they all wanted to know who she was. Her meter would go off, and 5 meters I lined up beside each other, and hers was the only one going off.
Mm-hmm.
One thing for certain, it ain't mine.
Anna, sweetheart. You know, I met another Anna. I met an Anna Shepherd up at an institution up in the upper part of the state a couple weekends ago. I don't know if you all know each other or not. I don't know in this other world that you are in if you all can communicate. I sure would like to know something about it, though. Put that long hard hit there.
Well, you really need to run the really high dollar batteries, they're like $4 for $8.
Anna, sweetheart, honey, we're going to go back to your room and talk to you there, okay? I think you're more comfortable there.